Is your hair looking dull, lackluster, and in need of a fresh pick-me-up? Been there, brighten that. Introducing Blonde Ale Vibrance Boosting Brightening Powder. This powerhouse of a product helps brighten and enhance highlights by removing dullness, boosting vibrancy, and adding tons of shine for baby soft flowing hair. And it's also perfect for gray, white, and highlighted hair. It's formulated with 3 key ingredients to renew your color from all angles. Ascorbic acid brightens dull strands by removing hard water and mineral deposits, while lemon powder extract naturally brightens dull hair. Finally, vitamin B5 locks in moisture for added shine and softness. Here's how to use it. After shampooing with Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo, pour the entire contents of the powder packet into your palm. Add a few drops of water and emulsify into a paste. Work into your hair and lather from roots to ends. Leave in for up to 5 minutes for it to work its brightening magic. Now rinse well and condition. For a little extra brightening TLC, use with Blonde Ale Brightening Conditioner or Blonde Ale Color Enhancing Brightening Mask. Ta-da! Back to brilliant and vibrant. Give your brightening routine a boost twice a month and you and your hair will have a bright future ahead.